What's up, everybody? It's Vega Dumb as Rocks, and today's video is an interesting one because today's video is entirely improvised. Yeah, that's right. I'm challenging myself now because I fucking hate myself and I'm a dirty little masochist. Anyway, this is Satisfactory. I was originally planning to do a video on a completely different game, but then I was introduced to this game, and yeah, I've gone completely fucking insane just now. Yeah, the man who talks to himself and then uploads it to the fucking internet is just now going completely fucking insane. So this game, what is this game about? It's there's literally one objective. You build a fucking factory. Yeah, conveyors. You can move shit. You got those little miner bitches, little miner. You can see it in the distance there, little miner bitch miner, fucking little Chinese man mining for you. That's I'm not going to be able to fucking include that. There's a miner in here. Oh, fuck. Yeah, you got a miner. It mines shit. It pulls shit out of the fucking ground magically out of its ass, and then it delivers. You get a fucking conveyor belt. It hooks it up. You hook it up to the fucking big machines. Hold on. I'll fucking show you the big machine. Yeah, you hook it up to the big machines. Big machines make big things. Big things. And then you got fucking big things can go into other machines, and then these machines create other big things, and then those big things can be produced into other big things, and then it's just a fucking endless loop feedback fucking cycle bitch ass loop of things being made into things, and then you know what? Yeah, you fucking make shit. That's the name of the game. Anyway, you got conveyors going this way. You got conveyors going that way. You got fucking. You know what? You're not even on planet Earth. You're on fucking planet whatever you're on planet whatever the fuck. Look at this fucking nut in my hand. It looks like a ball sack. That's funny. Anyway, the fucking. There's some lore to this game. You're part of a corporation called Fix It, probably run by Felix. I don't fucking know. And there's aliens. There's fucking aliens on this planet. Where is he? There's this fucking dude. He looks like fucking Hunchback of Notre Dame. I don't know what the fuck's up with him. He was really fucked up, tiny head looking ass. God, dude, you're a real fucking mess, aren't you? Oh yeah, and then you got little lizard doggo. Look at this adorable little boy. He's so fucking precious, and he brings me gifts. He brought me an edible mushroom. Thank you. I fucking love mushrooms. You know what? You're the fucking best man in the world, little Sparky. Look at that. You got fucking giant flying alien bitches. Look at that. God, look at him. He's hanging. He's chilling with the boys. That is fucking majestic. God, you gotta love that. You gotta love that. Yeah, weird fucking crab flowers. Watch this. I'm gonna walk up to this shit. Yeah, and this bitch stands up and then it fucking gasses me like a fucking Nazi. Look at this shit. And there's alien nuts too. You like nuts? Yeah, I bet you fucking love nuts. Here's some nuts. I'm gonna pick these nuts. Yeah. Pick those fucking nuts. Look at that. That's a fucking alien tree. Alien trees. Look at that. I don't know what the fuck that is. I should probably chop it down. Oh, here you go. You got fucking alien lion bitches. Look at this. He's gonna fucking charge at me. I'm gonna fucking dodge. I'm gonna beat the shit out of this dude with a fucking Xeno Zapper. Holy shit. Get fucked. Get fucked. You and your whole fucking family. Eat shit. Eat shit, you fucking bitch. I'm gonna steal their backside. I stole your fucking spine. How do you feel about that, bitch? I stole their fucking spine and now I'm grabbing nuts. Let's fucking go. I mean, just look at this place. This shit is fucking beautiful. I'm running it on mildly shitter graphics, but that's okay. It still looks fucking incredible. Well, and look at this. Another thick alien bitch who wants to get fucked. Come here. Oh, you are fucking massive. You are fucking I've never seen this before. What the fuck? What the fuck? You are fucking massive. I'm going to fucking die. I am so fucking dead. Holy fuck, why are you so thick? Why are you so thick? Why are you so thick? Where did he go? He's in the fucking trees. He's Vietnamese now. Okay, I'm leaving him alone. I'm going to recover some health and then we're gonna have an epic fucking showdown. Come here, little bitch, little bitch. Where are you? Why am I putting on a fucking accent, dude? Oh, look at him. There he is. He's a fucking alpha. That's why. He's a fucking alpha, Chad. Dude, bro, he watched my fucking sperm race video. That's why. Oh, and just like that, fucking conquered, little bitch. Beast bitch. You get fucked. Oh. Oh, wow. He's flapping his gums at me. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing at me? Anyway, I'm gonna steal your fucking backside. Anyway, so this video is probably going to be a fucking incoherent mess, but I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for choosing good old fucking Vega Paradox as your your daily entertainment solution. Even though I'm definitely entertaining no one, none of you, not a single soul. Anyway, this has been Deranged Man Speaks into a Microphone to absolutely fucking no one and then uploads it to the internet. I'm Vega Paradox. I've gone fucking insane. I see conveyor belts when I close my fucking eyes. This is a desperate cry for help. I am currently stapling my testicles to a ceiling fan due to my clinical insanity.
If you be my girl, come on.